So, regarding last class, we discussed about base resistance, base current as well as resistance. So, today we are going to have a continuation of that. We are going to derive an expression for emitter current and input resistance at the emitter, and what about a voltage gain you are going to derive. So, what we are dealing with, we are at the present of small signal operation of BJT. Studying under small signal operation. As you all know that we require a DC source for biasing. So AC is superimposing on the DC, and here we are finding out how the amplification will be doing for a small signal operation, how the maximum swing or maximum amplification taken place when you choose a small signal. So regarding that, we have derived an expression for base current and input resistance at the base terminal. In the continuation of that, we'll move on to the emitter current and input resistance at the emitter. So now, I hope all are ready with your pen and paper. So now help me for the first expression. What we have written for the base current derivation? What is the expression for IC? Small I6. Small I, capital C. What is the small I and capital C? What it indicates? What is capital I into C? The prefix. What is small I C? Small I with capital C. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the small I in C and capital I into C? This is DC current. This is amplified current. Small I with capital C is amplified current. What is the relation? IC
IC
is equal
plus
IC
IC by
plus
V into VB.
to IC plus.
IC by VT into VBE.
This is the one expression you have to remember to derive a base current as well as emitter current. This is the first expression you have to remember. So IC by VT into VBE. So first is a DC component, second one is a signal component because VBE is a small signal. So this is a signal component. Now, as you all know that, what is an expression for emitter current in terms of alpha and IC?
IE is equals to IC by alpha, ma'am.
IE is equal to IC by alpha. If it is capital IE, if it is a capital IE, what notation I am supposed to use?
IC by alpha VT, ma'am.
No, IE again it is capital IC by, it is capital IC, DC current.
Yes, ma'am.
IC by alpha, okay? Just keep in mind these notations. Now, if I want to get IE, what I am supposed to divide on both sides? Just go through the IB base current derivation. What we derived on both sides to get IB? You have an already IC. So if you want to get IB, we have derived on both sides beta. Similarly, if you want to have IE, what I am supposed to divide on both sides, left and right side?
alpha.
I alpha. So divide both side by alpha. So then IC by alpha is equal to capital IC by alpha. So very simple expression. Don't make it complication. You should know the notation. I already told you in the beginning. IC alpha, IC by IE, beta, and everything you should remember. So we want emitter current. That's why we are dividing throughout by alpha. So IC by alpha, VBE by VT. Okay. So now IC by alpha is equal to So IC by alpha is IE. So suffix ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ ಏನೇನು ಅಂತ. It is small I capital E amplified one alva ಅದಕ್ಕೆ IE. So now IC by alpha is capital I into, it is capital I, the prefix capital E, plus this is signal component. Signal component, let me write small I with the small e. Am I correct? This is signal component. ಏಕೆಂದ್ರೆ signal component ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ VBE. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So next. Next, how to do that? How to proceed with this? So now I need to write the signal, small signal emitter current, which is the component I am supposed to consider now. First term or second term in this expression? Which is a small signal emitter current? First term or second term?
First term.
First term is DC. Second is signal component, right? So small signal. I am worried about signal 1. Where is the signal present? In the first component or second component? And the first term or second term?
Second term.
Second term. So small signal emitter current is so now the second term is small I with small e. What is that small I and small e? Just compare these two expressions and tell me what is small I into e. It is capital IC. Yes, IC by alpha into VT into small VB. Now, what is IC by alpha here? What is IC by alpha?
IE.
Notation again. Small e na, capital E na?
Capital E.
IE is equal to capital IE. Then, what is left out?
Into VB.
IE by VT into VBE. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I call this expression as 1. I call this expression as 2. Now, so if I want to find out a resistance, emitter resistance, with respect to emitter, I'll write the resistance as RE. Input resistance RE. Can anyone tell me what notation we have used for base resistance? Remember? Small r with? Small r with what we have written?
I.
Huh? ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ? Just go through the base resistance. Prefix ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ?
I ma'am.
Pi. Yes, good. R pi is base resistance. RE is the emitter resistance. Resistance ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is the formula for resistance? It is resistance. How to define resistance in terms of voltage and current? V by I. Okay. What V and what I? We are respect to emitter. So it is input voltage VBE by input current. I am particular about emitter resistance. Input resistance at the emitter terminal. So RE can be defined as voltage by current, that too with respect to emitter. What is the input voltage we are giving here? VBE by the current, respective emitter current is IE. So now, just from this manipulation, what you will get VBE by IE? From this, what is VBE by IE?
RA.
VBE by E is RE. What is the formula? VBE by IE ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಿಂದ? ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರಿಟೈನ್ ಆಸ್ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೋತು? Just transfer this IE to the denominator of VBE.
IE by V.
IE by VT. Yes or no? IE by VT or VT by IE?
VT by I.
VT by I.
VT by okay, it is VT by IE. Okay, now, so therefore RE is equal to, so this can be written as RE, emitter resistance. So it is VT by IE. Now, this is one expression for emitter resistance. We can have one more alternate formula is, so let me know what is GM. Just go back and tell me what is
IC
GM
by
for
VT, ma'am.
IC by VT. Very good. So IC by VT. It is capital C. IC by VT. Okay. From this, what is VT?
IC by GM.
IC by GM. Okay, fine. Now we'll substitute this. This is alternate formula, that's it. We already got RE, but other alternate form will be this, because sometimes you may get a problem with other specification. You have to able to solve the expression for RE. So if I substitute VT as IC by GM, am I correct? IC, capital IC, what I've written is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is IE now in terms of IC? What is IE here? IE is
Alpha.
IC by alpha. IC by alpha. Now tell me, after simplification, what you are going to get? IC get cancelled. Will be written as
Alpha by GM.
alpha by GM. Very good. So now RE alternate formula is, there are two formulas, VT by IE or alpha by GM. So sometimes we are going to approximate this RE as alpha is very less, so very negligible. So we'll be retaining approximately 1 by GM. I hope you have solved a problem in basic electronics. I don't know you have solved or not. So you'll get 0.99, like that you will get a value of alpha. So sometimes it's negligible. That's why you will be approximate to 1. So 1 by GM. So this is an expression for RE. So emitter, input resistance of the emitter, and this is the emitter current. So this is the emitter current you got. Is this clear with emitter current and the input resistance? Yes. Yes, shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we move on to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, this is actually it is an amplifier. So what we have to do is we need to find the gain. So we have found out the current and we have found out the resistance. Next we will move on to the voltage gain. And before that we have a relationship between R pi and Re. So next make a heading of relationship between R pi and Re. Okay. So now tell me what is VBE from, okay, first let me write R pi. Then it is easy for you to have a relation. Okay. Okay, tell me what is the formula for R pi? R pi is equal to again voltage by current. Voltage is a small VBE by base current IB because R pi is a notation used to find out the input base current. Okay. Is it correct the formula for R pi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, what is RE? Just now we found out. RE is again voltage by current. What current? What resistance? What voltage? Again, it is
VB by
also VBE by IE. So ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ?
VBE.
VB, ma'am.
Okay. So VBE can be written as in terms of R pi L ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? It is IB into R pi is also equal to IE into RE. Any doubt in this expression? Yes? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. From this, what is R pi? From this, what is R pi? R pi is equal to
IE by
Yeah, by IB.
IE into RE by IB. Okay. IE into RE by IB. Now, what is IC and what is IB? IC, what is IE in terms of alpha? Alpha is IC by IE, right?
Yes, ma'am.
IC by IE. From this, what is IE?
IC
IE
by
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
alpha.
IC by alpha. Similarly, what is beta? Beta is beta is
IE by IB.
no beta.
IC by
IC by IB confusion ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. It's a simple one. IC by IB. So from this is what is IB?
IC
IC
by beta.
IC by beta. Okay, let me substitute IE and IB. So IE is IC by alpha whole divided by IC by beta into RE as it is. Now tell me what is the simplified expression?
Beta into RE by alpha.
IC get cancelled. Beta will shift to the numerator. So beta by alpha into RE. This is R pi. This is a relationship between R pi and RE. So in this module, you can't predict what question is going to be asked. Actually, biasing is by default, you will get a biasing question. And sometimes they'll ask you for small signal operation. You need to derive these expressions for 10 marks or 12 marks. They can ask you to find out input base current and the emitter current and voltage gain. So you can expect. So only few topics are there in the first module. So those topics are important. You can expect direct derivation. So only the problems you can expect on biasing. Derivation or derivation and explanation, or you may get problem. So is this clear with the relation?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have other expression, alternate expression is, so I hope you have remember or not, I don't know. What is the relationship between alpha and beta? Any guesses?
Alpha is equals to beta by 1 plus beta.
Yes, very good. So beta by 1 plus beta. So now, if I substitute in the place of alpha here, what you are going to get? R pi can also be written as, these are the alternate formulas. R pi can also be written as beta as it is. I'll be replacing alpha by beta by 1 plus beta. Beta by 1 plus beta into RE. Now, what is the simplified expression for R5? Final expression?
R pi is equals to 1 plus beta into RE, ma'am.
Yeah. Beta get cancelled. So, we'll be retaining with 1 plus beta into RE. Okay. So, this is another expression for R pi. There are two expressions for R pi. Beta by alpha RE, R1 plus beta into RE. Okay, from this, what is RE? RE is equal to, from this, RE expression, this is for whole R pi. R pi is equal to 1 plus beta into RE. And what will be the value of RE? RE
R
is
pi by
equal to
1 plus beta.
R pi by 1 plus beta, ma'am.
R pi by 1 plus beta. Just remember these formulas. Yes, is this clear with relationship? Yes.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want to derive
Yes,
an
ma'am.
base current agli, emitter current agli, you have to remember this formula. This is the initial step. If you remember this formula, beta ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you need to derive it, we have to divide by beta. IB ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to divide by both side beta, then you will get IB. If you want to get emitter current, you need to divide it by alpha. That is the next step. Then you will going to remember all the things. Then here VT has to be substituted in terms of GM and IE in terms of IC. Okay. And then you can find out emitter resistance and base resistance. So next is, we have just a diagram of it. Now the diagram is going to tell you what is the emitter resistance. So here you have a common emitter transistor. So emitter is grounded. So where you are going to find out the R pi, I've written here 3 terminals. This is base, collector, emitter. With respect to which terminal we found out R pi?
Base and emitter terminal.
Base and emitter terminal. Here the current flows is IB. So here we are going to measure VBE. So V with small b because it is a small signal. So here we found out R pi. R pi is, what is the simple formula? Voltage by current. VBE by, what is the respective base current?
IB, ma'am.
IB. Yes, this is just a diagram. It is a graphic a representation of R pi. Similarly, can we do it for emitter? So emitter, base, collector. The current flows through the emitter is small I into E. There is a voltage between the base and the emitter, that is small VBE. This is my signal. Okay. So in this particular region, we are going to find out the input emitter resistance RE. What is RE? Voltage by
VB
current.
by IB.
VBE by IB. Small VBE by IE. Is this clear with this illustration or the definition of R pi and RE? So here we are going to ground this base because emitter with respect to base. Emitter current measure ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. So with respect to base ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ base will be grounded. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, like that we need to have this. Is this clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, shall we move on to voltage gain now?
Yes, ma'am.
So because it is an amplifier, we need to find out what is the voltage gain of this small signal. So take a heading of next voltage gain. Okay, can you tell me any general definition for voltage gain? How to find out voltage gain?
Output by input, ma'am.
Output by input. So here voltage with respect to output voltage by input voltage. So here already I told you while explaining the BJT small signal operation, the BJT will act as a amplifier. Also it acts as a VCCS. What is that VCCS? Voltage control.
Controlled current source, ma'am.
Yes, yes, good. Voltage controlled current source. So now, so here we are going to obtain output voltage signal by force RC. So we have to find out, our intention is to find out first output voltage, then we can find out easily the voltage gain. You told that voltage gain can be found out by output voltage by input voltage. So here the derivation start with, we need to find out output voltage, then automatically we have a input voltage. So we can easily derive a voltage gain. So now, I hope you have remembered the circuit. All of you go back to the circuit, the small signal circuit. Tell me the KVL to the outside of loop. So I can write total collector voltage. So total collector voltage. Any guesses? Notations? Should be careful with the notations. Total collector voltage ಯಾವ V ಬರೀಬೇಕು? Small V na capital V na?
Small VC.
Small V, capital C.
Yes.
So it is tilted V with C. Yes. Did you go through the circuit? You have a
Yes, ma'am.
circuit like this, right? So you have a collector resistor, you have a VCC, and you have the emitter, common emitter configuration. Just an outside ಮಾತ್ರ ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So you have a collector current IC here, and this is a resistor RC. Yes, and we are going to measure VC here. Now tell me, just apply KVL to this outer side loop. What expression you are going to get?
VCC minus IC RC.
Okay, so tilted VC is equal to ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ವಿ ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿ ಸಿ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವಿ ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕರೆಂಟು, ಟಿಲ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿ ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್, ಅದೇ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ವಿ ಸಿ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಐ ಸಿ into RC. Any doubt in this expression? So VCC minus voltage across the resistor ICRC, that is nothing but your VC. Now, as all of you know that there are two collector current here. AC is superimposed on DC. So what is the total collector current now? Total amplified current. Which are those
Capital
two?
IC. I mean DC
Yes.
and IC.
DC and AC. So capital IC is a DC current plus I into C, signal current, into RC. So now if you simplify this, VCC, if I open up this bracket, IC into RC minus plus into minus minus IC into RC. Now tell me, what is VCC minus ICRC, capital ICRC? What collector
DC
voltage it is? DC component. So DC component, or I can say it is a DC collector voltage, capital VC. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Signal will be as it is, small IC into RC. Do you have any doubt in the expression? You can ask me. So ಇದು signal DC component ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I can write whole VCC minus ICRC as capital VC. DC collector voltage. So in this, so this is a DC component and this thing is signal component. The first term is DC component and the second is a signal component. So for which one we are supposed to find out the voltage gain? We are worried about DC or signal?
Signal, ma'am.
Signal. Okay. Now I'll move on to the next slide. So if anybody copying this, finish copying. Yes. Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just a continuation. You tell me the expression for signal component. Second component ಏನಿತ್ತು?
ICRC, ma'am. Small ICRC.
With the with the polarity also you're supposed to consider. What is the sign?
Negative, ma'am.
Okay. Signal component is signal component notation VC is equal to small c it is minus small I small c RC. Okay, can anyone tell me IC in terms of GM? Go back to the previous expression. IC is equal to GM into
VBE, ma'am.
GM into VB. So now if you substitute in the place of IC, therefore VC becomes minus, just substitute in the place of IC, GM into VBE into RC. Now let me find out the voltage gain of an amplifier. Voltage gain is letters are visible. Notation AV. Okay. So gain is always noted as A, where voltage gain means AV. Okay. AV is equal to, as I told you, output voltage by input voltage. What is the output voltage in this common emitter configuration?
VCE, ma'am.
VC. So because we are giving input to the base and we are taking the output from the collector terminal. Now output voltage by input voltage. Output voltage is collector voltage, input voltage is base voltage. Athwa with respect to emitter. So can I write AV as VC by VB? Am I correct? Sarina?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me what is VC from this expression? What is VC? VC is minus
minus mu
minus GM into VBE into RC by VBE. Now what is the final expression? VBE get cancelled. You're getting AV as minus GM into RC. This is an expression of gain for small signal. Okay. We have an alternate formula also. How to get alternate formula for AV in terms of IC? But GM is equal to
IC by VT, ma'am.
IC by VT. GM is equal to IC by VT. So therefore AV becomes minus IC by VT into RC. This is the expression for voltage gain. Yes, is this clear? Yes. Yes, all of you. Is this clear with these expressions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next we'll move on to the last topic of BJT. Separating the DC and so make a heading of the next topic is separating the signal and the DC quantities. Okay. So now just I am going to write a diagram. So here what your intention is, so you are going to separating the DC quantities and signal. So here amplifier current and the voltage is composed of two components. As you all know that so far we got two components, DC component and signal component. How we are going to separate in the diagram? So the signal operation of BJT is obtained by eliminating the DC source and we replacing it by short circuits. So let me write the circuit diagram, that is common emitter circuit with DC sources. Eliminated. So only signal component circuit ali ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. So again as usual I'll be writing common emitter configuration. Okay. Just signal component ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Can you tell me the signal component? ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ನಾವೇನೇನು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿ. So what is the signal you're going to apply to the base terminal? Shreyas?
Both AC and DC, ma'am.
Both AC and DC, but here you are considering only the signal. We are eliminating the DC sources. Capital VBE ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ, capital VCE ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ DC ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಪ್ಪ?
AC, ma'am. Small VBE.
Small VBE. Small VBE. It's only AC component ಏನು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. So positive, negative VBE. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ? What is IB? What is the base current we have derived?
Small IB, ma'am.
Small IB with respect to pi, R pi. Expression in IB ಗೆ IB ಗೆ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ R pi. With respect to R pi, what is RB? IB? R pi ಬಂದು base resistance, right? So it is what voltage by what current?
VBE by IB, ma'am.
VBE by IB. ಇದರಿಂದ IB ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
VBE by R pi, ma'am.
VBE by R pi. VBE by R pi. Okay. So what is the voltage between this base and emitter? Is here small signal voltage VBE. Okay. Then what about emitter current with respect to RE?
Small IE, ma'am.
Small IE. What is the formula for this? VBE by
RE, ma'am.
VBE by RE. ಏನೇನು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಡಿರೈವ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ we are retaining in the circuit by eliminating the all DC sources. Next, coming to the collector current. Collector current, what you got with respect to GM? Just now you told IC is equal to ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ VB ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು GM ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು IC ಗೆ? You told here, right?
GM into VBE.
GM into VBE. IC is equal to GM into VBE. So IC ಆಯಿತು, IE ಆಯಿತು. Anything left out? So this is VCE. Okay. So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
a short circuit. A DC supply VCC na short ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, shorted. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the doubt in regarding this circuit. So I have written common emitter circuit and I have written collector resistance. DC ನಾನು ಯಾವುದು ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ VBE ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ VCE ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. Yes. Base current to I'm giving here small voltage, signal voltage is small VBE. Small IB ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So we have written in terms of resistance. Okay. ಏನೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವೋ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ. We have written here what is this small base current, small signal base current, what is the collector current, what is the emitter current. Okay. So So here three formulas you have to remember to write this diagram is IC is equal to GM into VBE. With these three formulas we have completed the circuit. So here we have specified as what is the signal and what is the IB, IC, IE. So IB is VBE by R pi. So always base resistance is with respect to base current R pi, and last expression you are supposed to remember is IE. IE is equal to VBE by RE. Okay. ಈ ಮೂರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ VCC ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ, VCC is short circuited and capital VBE is DC. We are not writing here because capital VBE is a DC quantity. So here it is, the name itself indicates the separating the signal and the DC quantities. So we are worried about only the DC quantities, AC quantities, small signal. Okay. Yes. Is this clear with this? ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
No, ma'am.
Yes, all of you clear with this? So the simple topic left out, it is hybrid pi model. It is already time up. So we'll take up in the next class hybrid pi model. If it completes small signal operation of BJT is got over, BJT is completely over. And the second half of module 1 is again the MOSFET. We need to study MOSFET biasing and small signal operation. That is also like this. We are going to study.